Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 1 on PC. Good news, the classic Western adventure is now officially available for personal computers. You can purchase this beloved title, along with its Undead Nightmare expansion, directly from digital storefronts. It was released on October 29, 2024, making it accessible without any unofficial methods or emulators. You can find it on platforms like Steam, the Epic Games Store, or the Rockstar Store. To ensure a smooth experience, let's look at the system requirements. The minimum specifications call for a 64-bit Windows 10 operating system and 8 GB of RAM. For optimal performance, a recommended setup includes an Intel Core i5-8500 or an AMD Ryzen 5 3500X processor. You will also need at least 12 GB of available storage space, with an SSD recommended for faster loading times. The PC version comes with several enhancements to elevate your gameplay. You can experience the stunning visuals in native 4K resolution, with support for up to 144 Hz on compatible hardware. It also offers comprehensive support for ultra-wide and super ultra-wide monitors, providing an immersive field of view. Furthermore, the game integrates advanced upscaling technologies like NVIDIA DLSS 3.7 and AMD FSR 3.0 for improved performance. Prepare to dive into the epic Western adventures of John Marston, including the thrilling Undead Nightmare expansion. The PC port provides full keyboard and mouse functionality, giving you precise control over every gunfight and horseback ride. Reviews indicate this is a solid and optimized port, offering a great way to experience this classic. Get ready to explore the American frontier with enhanced graphics and smooth performance.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.